Your bonsai isn't just a tree, it's a living piece of art. But when fall and winter hit, even the healthiest bonsai can struggle. That's why today, I'm sharing how to keep your bonsai healthy, vibrant, and thriving through the coldest months. First, let's talk about seasonal needs. As autumn arrives, your bonsai will naturally slow its growth, and leaves might change color. This is totally normal. It's your tree's way of conserving energy for winter. So your care routine needs a little tweak. Now, about watering. In cooler months, your bonsai needs less water. Never let the soil go bone dry, though. Check the moisture daily and water just enough to keep the roots slightly damp. Indoor heating can dry out the air, so a light mist or a humidity tray helps keep stress at bay. Let's talk positioning. Most bonsai species love bright, indirect sunlight. If you keep your bonsai outside, shield it from frost and harsh winds. Indoor trees? Place them near a sunny window and give the pot a little turn now and then for even growth. Fall is the perfect time for light pruning. Snip away any weak or dead branches and gently shape your bonsai for spring. Skip heavy pruning in winter. Instead, focus on removing fallen leaves and checking soil drainage. This helps prevent root rot. If you spot yellowing leaves or dry soil, don't ignore it. Adjust your watering, check for pests, and make sure your bonsai isn't too cold or too hot. Quick action now saves months of recovery later. With the right fall and winter care, your bonsai will come back stronger and healthier in spring. If these tips helped you, like this video, subscribe, and let's grow our bonsai family together. Every tree thrives better when we grow together.